Hey guys, this is my new improved walnut cleaning machine. I thought I'd show you. You can probably make one of these out of some parts you have around the house. All it is a bucket with a handle, got some chicken wire inside, and an old drill mounted to a board. And I just have some Velcro holding the handle of the bucket to the drill. First thing I'm going to do is shell the green hulls off the walnuts and wash them off. Then I'm going to get them in the bucket. And you want to make sure your bucket has the chicken wire or little pieces of chicken wire hanging over the lip. So when you put the lid on, it'll keep the chicken wire from spinning around in the bucket. It has to stay stationary in order to clean the walnuts. So I put some water in the bucket, and we're going to put the bucket on the machine and attach it right here at this little T-junction with some Velcro. Then we just turn it on. I have it hooked up to a battery charger to get different voltages and different power adjustments. Spin it for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to take it off and clean the walnuts again, and keep doing this process about 2 or 3 times until I get them the way I want them. You can clean them as much or as little as you like. Yuck. This is after the first washing. It's going to be yucky. So you want to clean out your bucket and hose your walnuts. You can see though they're starting to get a little clean after the first wash. And you clean your bucket out too before you put them back in. I usually just put enough water in to cover the walnuts a couple inches. This bucket will actually do about 3 times as much as I have in there. This is just a small batch that I have. You can see here they're a little cleaner. It's not as mucky inside. Just the second washing. Also, you can use that water that comes out as a stain, as a walnut stain. This is just showing you the board without any bucket on it. These old rollers I got at Harbor F. You can get them online, and the drill just has a little metal T attachment. That's the last spinning for about 15 minutes at a time. Then I hang them up to dry, and there you go. There's your final product. Let them dry for a few more weeks. They should be ready around the holidays for cracking. Enjoy.